Managing the development and life cycle of a pharmaceutical product can be beyond time-consuming, beyond costly, and beyond complex. PharmaLex enlightens with trusted expertise and empowers with cutting-edge technology. PharmaLex ensures healthier business decisions with specialized services that are adapted to fit your needs. Scalable yet approachable and innovative. Our services extend beyond market approval to include product maintenance and post-launch activities, both at a local and global level. PharmaLex, beyond knowledgeable, beyond flexible, beyond innovative, beyond trusted. And with over 90% of business from satisfied repeat customers, beyond proven. Let's take your business above and beyond. Contact us today.